Today I wanted to show you bookmark ideas that you can do at home. The things that you need are cardstock and construction paper and markers or like crayons or whatever you need for decoration like stickers, maybe some embellishments. So what you need to do is cut the construction paper into shapes like this, and then also cut this piece of paper like a square. And what you need to do with this is that you can draw like different shapes, or what you can do is you can write quotes. So I hope you try this bookmark activity at home, and you can also do this with kids and it will be like a fun activity. And what you need to do with the square is, so when you cut it, the shape will be like this, like in a square. And then what you need to do is fold this part and then fold this part, and then just put this inside, and then also do the same with this and put it inside, and there you go. And then you can add the decorations like stickers, or you can draw with markers. I hope you try this activity at home, and please subscribe for more activities like these, and also like mom life. Thank you.